let us start start with approximation. So approximation, oh shit, 1 minute I have to take. Okay, and then let us start with approximation. So first we need to know what are the requirements. Requirements means number one, squares 1 to 50, number two, cubes 1 to 30, tables 1 to 25. Where to apply? So we need approximation to do fast calculation. So but we need to take care of it so that it produce accurate result, not less accurate. So we only apply the approximation or this method that I am going to tell you only in 3 operations. Number 1 is divide operation, number 2 is finding the square root of a number, number 3 finding a cube root of a number. Let us take the example how to apply this. Number 1, generally in mathematics, after in any question we stuck at finding the square root of any number. So the method I have discussed here is, if you know the number squares of 1 to 50, then you can easily find, or just simply simply writing the number, you can simply know what is the square root of the given number. Let's take the example of under root 270. So we know that 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, and the number 270 lies between 256 and 289. So the square root of the given number definitely lie between 16 and 17. Since it is between, simply just saying the number, it is almost equidistant to 56 and to 89. So the square root is approximately 16.5. And surprisingly, the answer to this, after finding the square root from the calculator, it is 16.43. so it produces better result without using the calculator. Another example is for division. So let us take the example of 32 by 15. You know that 32 by 16 is equal to 2, and general the properties of a number n is equal to p by q. If we increase the q, then definitely n will decrease. If we decrease the q, then definitely n will increase. So the anti-proportional, n and q are anti-proportional. So if we have decreases here q is 16, we have decreased the q, so the number this 2 will be increased. Since we know that 15 into 2 is equal to 30, so and 32 is nearby 30, so that definitely the answer would be approximately 2.1 without division. Third is, let's take the example of a big number like that. If in the division, if we want to divide it, either we know the table of 103, which is practically not possible. Everyone does not know that table above than 25 or less. So what we do is to divide by simply making the numerator and denominator as an even number. So if we take it as this one less, and this one 1 less. Then we take and divide it by 2. 8, 4, 3, 51. If we again apply the same rule, if we means increase it by 1, it is 4, it is 2, and what is, and then we can definitely divide it by 2, 4, 2, 2, and here is 21. If we, now this number is if we again divide it, it is 20, and it is already even. So if we again divide it, it is 10, it is 2, 1, 1, and which is equal to 21.1. But surprisingly its answer is 60.37. So what is the difference between how this difference comes? This difference comes because we have approximated it so many times, so difference leads to this number. But if we approximate it for less number times and then take division, then it definitely gives right result. Like here, if we divided 8, 4, 3, 51, and if we divide it by 3, then it is 2, 8, 1, it is 17. If we doesn't approximate now and take division, since we know the table of 17, so it is 17, 1, 9, sorry, 1, 1, 1, it is 6, it is 102, it is 9, it is 0, it is point, it is 5, it is 85, it is 5, it is 0, it is 3 approximate. So the answer will be this, which is almost approximated to 60.37. So we should take care that we should not taking the help of our approximation too much times in our calculation for less for small numbers. We can take the approximation too many times for numbers, like if we want to take division of this number and by this number, then we can take 2 or 4 or 5 times approximation. But here number is small. As we take approximation, the accuracy decreases and the approximate result is too far from the original result. So now so I am just telling you that if and use the approximation for the questions where options are given. Like if there is option 21.2, 36.3, and 84.2 and 16.3, then by doing the correct approximation, like in second way, this way, you can lead up to here and approximate to the result to here. But if you go for the wrong way like this, you will approximate it to the here. So take care of it. And if there are options like this type, then never approximate the result. Never ever approximate the result. Always do simple calculation or whatever the division is given or multiplication is given. So take care of it. Means I am just telling you that if the differences between the given options is too much large, then only use the approximation. Since here the difference is small, so do not take the approximation, because approximation leads to some inaccurate results but approximated result. So and another one is never ever use approximation for means addition, multiplication and subtraction. Use only for division and square root and cube root only. Thanks for watching video. In our next video we will learn LCM, HCF and co-primes. Thanks.